I'm Sharon Flank, founding CEO of InfraTrac. InfraTrac protects brands and patients against fakes and mistakes. Founded in 2006 with technology license from the University of Maryland School of Pharmacy, InfraTrac protects tablets and capsules, and we've expanded to use chemical fingerprinting for brand protection. Counterfeiting costs U.S. companies $250 billion a year. There are companies spending 10% of their budgets on supply chain safety. Most of that protection goes on the cardboard. Holograms, special printing. That cardboard ends up in the dumpster where unscrupulous characters can pull it out and put fake product inside. InfraTrac's chemical fingerprints protect the substance itself, not just tablets and capsules, but shrink wrap, neck bands, blister packs, the plastic of medical devices, and in an industry that's increasingly subject to major counterfeiting, electronic parts to keep airplanes and satellites safe. What's special about InfraTrac's approach? It's not just that we have a patented system for putting millions of chemical codes in. It's not just that it's light, fast, FDA safe, clean, and green. It's that the InfraTrac fingerprints can be authenticated anywhere by anybody with a handheld device, and that means that worldwide anybody can do that authentication and they don't have to know the secret code. So authentication is in the hands not only of brand owners, but warehouses, distributors, pharmacies, even the worried consumer with a smartphone. Is there competition in this space? Yeah, there are chemical fingerprinting companies that use DNA taggants or nanoparticles, but those solutions are cumbersome and they're expensive. InfraTrac's approach is inherently lightweight and cost-effective. InfraTrac is pleased to have as the head of its science team the former head of spectroscopy at USP. His talents are complemented by a team of internationally renowned experts with experience at companies including Merck and Purdue Pharma. We're now authorities on anti-counterfeiting, asked to speak across the US and in Europe. I'm a former software executive who spun out companies that were later acquired by Kodak and AOL. We're fortunate to have an active and involved advisory board with skills in startups, sales, and the industries we've targeted. We're seeking $500,000 in investment to ramp up our sales effort so that we can handle the pipeline we already have with the products that are ready to go, so that we can target pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and electronic parts. InfraTrac is well connected. We're proud to be a springboard company, a mind share company. We have seed funding from Maryland TEDCO and from the Maryland Biotech Commercialization Fund before we had our own revenue coming in. InfraTrac, infrared tracking. We seek your vote of support to protect brands and patients against fakes and mistakes.